ka MTET kadai ka short form jongka Meghalaya Teachers Eligible Test hakaba baro ki Nonghikai ki balajan over age seru ki hapan ya be pan pendep ya kata ka MTET namar lada kimla pan pendep ya ke ka ba ka sorkar kalabu kimban se kin hapan syaweng naga kam naga tagadau wala kila temenru ki hapan ya kun doyap pan pendep ya kata ka MTET ka exam MTET ka dega bala penlong daga sorkar Meghalaya hambaro ka wega jela menin ka arpo sautarik jong benai Julai hagas ni toding mentangin ya pej ya kini ki question jong ka matematik jong ka paper 1 mathematics compulsory life homework. What is the range of the data set 15, 22, 8, 19, 31? Answer gede number B are Balei. Nangta how many equilateral triangle can fit together around a point without gap overlap? Answer gede number C hynrei. Nangta Balei, an equilateral triangle has lines of symmetry. Answer gede number D line of symmetry. Nangta ka number saw which 3D shape has 6 rectangular face? Number saw gede number B cuboid. How many edges does a cube have? 12. Number 65 kadai D. 66. Which of the following is always true? All rectangles are square, all square are rectangle, all parallel are rectangle, all rhombus are square. Kadai number B. All squares are rectangle. Nota number a triangle cannot have angle. A triangle kapomdon angle. Kadai number B. Number B. Kadai number B. Nangta the decimal form of 28 thousands is pra kalak bantai arpon pra kalak bantai mo namtikla. Nangta ndripundai what fraction of a day is 4 1/2 hours? Kane kante ka number C 3/16. Nangta number neutral. An item bought for 800 is then sold for 850. What is the percentage of profit? Kane 100%. Kane kan day number A. Kane number A. Nang tanyo puwi. Which of the following is an example of abstract nature of mathematics? Counting fruits in basket. Study the concept of zero. Measuring the length of table. Drawing a triangle. Kane ka answer kande number B. Nangta question number new are. A teacher uses bit to teach counting. This method is abstract learning, concrete learning, rote learning, lecture method. Kane kande kan number B. Concrete learning. Nangtan reply according to Paget, children learn mathematics best through rote memorization, hand-on activities, and exploration. Only listen to lectures and number D, repetition of exercise. The answer can be number B, hand-on activities and exploration. Nangta number new pusau. Students feel fear during mathematics class. This is known as logic thinking, math anxiety, intelligence curious. Kanai kandai number B, math anxiety. Number 25. Teacher conducts final exam at the end of the term. This is diagnostic, formative, summative evaluation, nangta continuous evaluation. Kanai kandai summative evaluation. A number when added to 789 give 1000. The number is to contain number B or spa kiwei. Nota number new. The smallest three-digit number form using digit 305 without repetition. Kane kalabandai number A. Kalabandai number A. Nota new pupra. Which of the following is longest? 2.5 km, 2500 meter, 2400 2450 meter. Nota dan take number D. 1 by 4 kg is equal to, and the number D. Nota a circle has how many lines of symmetry? Kane kandai infinite. 81. Which capital letter of the English alphabet has a vertical line and symmetry? Kandai ka number A. Nota a teacher explains additional. A teacher explains addition only using rule without example. This teaching lacks discipline, conceptual of understanding, time management, assessment. Ka conceptual. 83. A children use fingers to solve subtraction problem. The teacher should stop immediately, encourage, and gradually move to mental strategy. Punish, ignore. Ka number B. Encourage and gradually move to mental strategy. Nota 84. Students fail in what problems despite knowing operation. The best intervention is more numerical practice, to simplify language and use visual, to ignore to memorize step. Kan number B. To simplify language and use visual. Number 85. GeoGebra and Desmos are ICT tool mainly used teaching history, visual, and exploring geometry and algebra concept. Write essays, learning language. Kane contain number B. Number 86. Which of the following is not correct about ICT? ICT is a modern teaching arts. ICT is a teaching mathematics facilities learning. ICT is substitute for teaching. Use of ICT reduce physical labor of a teacher. The answer kabom day hangne kaday number C. ICT is a substitute for teacher. 87. Evaluation that monitors learning progress in mathematics is known as formative evaluation, placement evaluation, summative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation. The number A. The sum of the greatest and smallest 6-digit number that can be formed from the digit of 6, 8, 0, 2, 9, and 5 without repetition is to contain number A. 1192209. 89. The generalized form of 3-digit number XYZ is A. X plus Y plus Z. A pen is 12.5 centimeter long. Convert into meters. 0.0125. 0.125. 1.25 meter, 0.00125. Answer contain number P, 0.125.